Ever find yourself thinking, wait, how many hours have I spent on this fursuit? What did I even buy? And did my client pay me yet? Yeah, I've been there. That's why I put together the ultimate fursuit makers tracking template to keep everything in one place. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how to use the template step by step. You can use it as inspiration to make your own, or grab the ready-to-use version from my Etsy shop. Link in the description. And follow along. To just get right into it, this is the summary tab of your fursuit making spreadsheet. So we have the hours, purchases, the amount of money your client has sent, and what they owe. Here, this will be constantly updated as you update each of these tabs. Let's start with hours. Here we have day worked, item worked on, hours, minutes, calculated hours, and cost. Right here you have per hour. This is how much you want to be paid per hour that you put in your time. And then your total cost is here as well. Let's say we worked on August 10th, 2025. The item was shaving the head for 3 hours, 15 minutes. So the calculated hours is 3.25 and the cost is $81.25. Then we can go over to here and purchases. Let's say we needed to purchase a shaver at a unit quantity of 1 and the unit type is each. If you bought something like a half yard of fur, then you would put half a yard. Then per unit, I paid $50 for the shaver and $10 for shipping. Here you can implement your link so you can always go back to what you bought. Next, we go to the money sent, date, amount, and method. Say they sent something on August 10th, 2025. And the amount is they sent $40 that day. And the method was PayPal. Now we can go back to the summary page, and here we can see we shaved the head for 3.25 hours and it is $81.25. Then we bought the shaver for $60. Client sent $40. Now the client owes $101.25. This sheet constantly updates as you update each tab. It makes it much easier to be able to stay organized, and you can use this easily for tax season. Here is a real example of a fursuit commission that I completed. My hours was 221 hours, which equals $5,525. The items was 384.91. This is what my client paid, and this is what they owe. Now that you have a way to stay organized, click on this video above where we will show you the process of completing a kimono head base. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!